Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to link interactive brokers with Wise in just a few quick steps. I'll be showing you this on the web version of the IBKR client portal. First, log into your interactive brokers account. Once you're in the client portal dashboard, look at the top navigation bar and click on Transfer and Pay. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Transfer Funds. If you're managing multiple accounts, you'll see an account selector pop up. Choose the account you want to link with Wise, then click Continue. You'll now see a screen with several options. Click on Deposit Funds. A currency selection screen will appear. This is where the Wise linking actually happens. In the currency dropdown, select whichever currency you plan to deposit. Once you've selected your currency, you'll see different deposit methods listed. Look for Transfer from Wise Balance and select it. The first time you use Wise in the portal, you should be redirected to the Wise website for authorization. If you already have a Wise account, just log in with your credentials. If you don't have a Wise account yet, you'll be prompted to create one right here. Just follow the prompts on screen. Once you're logged into Wise, you'll need to authorize the connection between Wise and interactive brokers. For first-time users, you'll also need to confirm your identity. If you're in the US, you'll provide your SSN or ITN. If you're outside the US, you'll need to provide a non-US photo ID. You might see a QR code appear on screen. If so, scan it with your smartphone and follow the verification steps. You'll need to take photos of both sides of your physical ID. After you've completed the verification, Wise will redirect you back to the Interactive Brokers portal. You should now see a quote screen showing the source currency you selected earlier. That's it, your accounts are now linked. This is a one-time process, so you won't have to go through the authorization again. From now on, you can transfer funds directly from your Wise account balance into Interactive Brokers. You'll actually have two options for deposits. Transfer from Wise Balance if you already hold that currency in your Wise account, or bank transfer via Wise if you need to convert from a different currency. The linking also works in reverse. If you want to withdraw from Interactive Brokers to Wise later, you can use Transfer to Wise Balance, and the connection is already set up and ready to go. Both deposits and withdrawals will work seamlessly once you've completed this initial setup. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.